Conquer every new Brunswick road with our 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross LE all-wheel drive. Picture this. It's a sunlit afternoon in New Brunswick, and you're gearing up for an unforgettable day. Our 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, dressed in striking Cavalry Blue, is ready to be your ultimate adventure partner. With a spacious cargo area that swallows up all your coastal gear and an intelligent all-wheel drive system that thrives on winding back roads and bridge crossings, this SUV feels like it was made for life here in NB. From seaside escapes to quick city errands, every drive is smooth, confident, and undeniably fun. Stay comfortable year-round with heated front seats and easy-breezy automatic climate control. Toyota Safety Sense and a blind spot monitor keep you protected, while sleek tech features like the large touchscreen, smart key system, and wireless connectivity elevate every moment behind the wheel. When you choose Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, you're getting more than just a car. Enjoy our 12-month Huggable guarantee, fully serviced vehicles, free Carfax, and even a spin-to-win gas program. Stop by today. We're here to make your summer drives unforgettable.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug.